What's up, guys? It's Shark Puppet here. Yes. Sorry, guys. What's up, guys? It's Shark Puppet. Today, we're gonna be seeing the Thunderbirds at Colorado's. Don't say the word. We're gonna see the Thunderbirds. So, let's do it. Yeah. We should get here into the Thunderbirds. Yeah. We're here. We just have to wait on the line first. I hope it doesn't take long. Okay. Alright, guys, we're here. We're here at the Thunderbird place. And we're so excited to go here. I'm a little bit shy, but I hope it's good.
Should be.
I'm gonna put the umbrella in this wagon. Yeah. I love riding a wagon. Yeah, I'm gonna ride this wagon. Alright, guys. I hope this Thunderbird show will be so good. This road is a farming road. I've never seen this farming road before. It's like with those grass in the middle of the road. Yeah. Food truck? Is that a food truck? Is there cheese in it? Cheese? No? But what's in it? Bacon? What? I don't know why pigs come from bacon from a gas chamber. What the frick? And they make the pigs scream because I don't want to be in the gas chamber. Please, I just want to leave. Okay. Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom in. I see there's a John Deere excavator working over there. Yeah. It's gonna be the best day ever. The best day ever for the second time of Thunderbirds. It's gonna be a good time at Thunderbirds place. What's going on over here? Oh, they're playing football over there at the Thunderbird place. I don't play football, so yeah. I left it by accident. But that's alright. I can cover this one. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. It's a Thunderbird. Yeah. Thunderbirds. Yeah. Thunderbirds. Oh yeah. It's Thunderbird time. I can't wait. What the frick? What's going on over here? There it is, the John Deere excavator. I see that John Deere excavator.
Oh. Yeah, he's way back there. Okay, I can cover through the rest.
Yeah. It says Deere on the back. That's a John Deere excavator. Oh look, it's a JCB bulldozer. Yeah. Okay. Here we are. Yeah.
Thunderbirds will be over here, dude.
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just gotta stay with me.
You. You. Okay.
Right here. What do you think?
That's good.
Good.
Yeah. I like to pull wagons every time.
You do.
Yes.
You do all this.
Thank you. Yeah. Thunderbirds.
It'll be a
Yeah.
while.
Yeah, glizzy hot dog. That tastes kind of good. It's just a beautiful day out here. Yeah. I got a glizzy at the food truck and a cotton candy. Now it's time to watch. And guys, this is a park. This is also a museum park.
It's a museum, yep.
Yeah.
Mining museum.
And it's a park. And we're gonna watch the... Oh, frick! That was the first airplane. First one was a bird.
You gonna run your battery out?
And we're gonna watch the Thunderbirds fly. And the Thunderbirds have a jet engine in there. And it's gonna be so loud that it's gonna ruin the whole thing. We wish we can bring our dog here, but too late. Our dog passed away.
Save your battery.
Oh, come on. Let's save this and let's wait until the Thunderbirds come. Sorry guys, but I have to stop the video because I have 0% on my device. So we're gonna switch to our fully charged one. There they are, everybody. I switched it and it has a full battery saving. Look at it go. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Here they come.
Yeah. And the kids. Yeah. Look at them go. Yeah. Yeah. Look at them go! Yeah, look at them go! Look at them go! Did you saw them go? Well, yes. Did you see them go? Well, yeah, look. Here's the ones on this side. Look at them go! Look at them go! Wow! Look at the Thunderbirds go! Look at the Thunderbirds go! Oh my! Look at them go! Look at them go! Guys, you can't see them. That was cool, guys, right? Yeah. Yeah, look at them go! Look at these Thunderbirds! Wow! Look at those! Oh my! I need a perfect angle to do this. Look at them go! You see those two thingies at the sky? That's the Thunderbirds. Here comes those! Look at those! Look at those! Ew. Wow! Wow! That was so cool! Oh, that's just a bird. Pretty cool, right? Wow. Oh, where did they go? Oh, there they are. This is cool. Bye-bye, Thunderbirds.
There's another one right here coming.
Yeah, that was the Thunderbirds, guys. Wow. Subscribe if you like Thunderbirds. Look at them go. Look at them go. Go, Thunderbirds, go. Yeah. Look at them go! Wow! Oh my! Look at them go! Oh my! Oh my! Look at them go! Oh, deep to the stars! Look at it! It's the witness! Oh my! That is beautiful! The beautifulest Thunderbirds ever! Whoa! Those are beautiful! Oh, yeah! Oh, alright guys! Where? Yeah.
Upside down?
Oh my! Look at the Thunderbirds go! Yeah! Did you saw that? Wow! The best Thunderbird day ever! Oh, look at these ones! Wow! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, this one's coming up!
全都还是魔鬼脚，接下来的时间都交给我们了。
Thunderbirds!
Let's fucking
Thunderbirds!
Torpedo 四下，不再
Yeah. That was so cool! Yeah, I love Thunderbirds! Shut Papa didn't see Thunderbirds before! Yeah. Guys, I see a Thunderbird! Where did it go? Guys, I found a Thunderbird! It's right there!
尾巴就要
And there.
来。
Thunderbird. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If someone says first on the comment, I will pin you. Yeah. Oh, look at these ones. Yeah. Yeah, look at those. Wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, they're going down. Yeah, Thunderbirds. Wow. The best Thunderbird day ever. Alright guys, everybody's leaving because the Thunderbird is almost over, so yeah. Yeah, let's zoom in into this one. Oh, what's the zoom? There we go. There they come, baby! Oh wow! Okay, how many Thunderbirds are coming? Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. To watch the Thunderbirds, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to see another Thunderbird video. Bye!